Welcome to Kicks and Beats, the channel. I am your host, Broadway J. Please hit subscribe, please hit like, and stay tuned. What's going on, guys? What's going on? It's your boy, Broadway J, back at it with another one, baby. My favorite Yeezy silhouette of all time, the 700 V3, and this time we have the clay brown to present to you guys. I know it's similar to the Alva colorway, but I just have to grab every colorway that comes out for this silhouette. It's my favorite, man. For those who are unfamiliar with this sneaker right here, it does not contain Boost, which is a very comfortable material they like to use in Yeezy brand sneakers, but it's all good. They're still pretty comfortable. Let's get into this one because, woo, the clay brown. Shout out to StockX for this one. Shout out to DHL because throughout this entire pandemic, this seems to be like the only company that never screwed me over with deliveries. As a matter of fact, the email originally stated that it would be arriving in 3 days from now. I woke up this morning to see that it's all been pushed forward and it's just coming through today. And look, we have it here. So shout out to DHL. You guys are freaking incredible. But yeah, just the proof right here. I'll try to show you personal info, but here's the proof right here, StockX. We don't mess with fakes on this channel. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. Check out the labeling. For the colorway, it's Clay Bro, Clay Bro, Clay Bro. Bruarg. I know I'm saying it funny, but you know what it is. The first time I took a size 11 and a half, even though 10 and a half is my true to size, but with Yeezy brand, you always want to go half a size up, meaning 11 for me. But when it comes to the 700 V3, it's just too tight. So I decided to take a size 11 and a half today to see how this goes. And, woo! Just as I expected. Sick. What? Alright, now just to let you guys know real quick, this is not pure black. It's definitely not. Definitely not. Because this colorway right here, it's not the same as the cage. They're different. I don't know if you guys see the difference here. You guys should be able to see the difference, but it's not exactly the same. Is this why they call this sneaker silhouette, this colorway, the clay brown? Because of this? Because, I mean, I don't know. This does not look like a clay brown to me, really. Maybe you guys could have made it slightly lighter, then I would have been able to call it clay brown. But either way, this is an awesome silhouette. Like, it's really close to black, guys. You guys could wear an all black outfit with this and it just wouldn't matter. You'll still look proper. But oh man, this is beautiful. You know, once again, they're not doing the regular laces no more, it seems, with this silhouette. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe they'll bring it back one day, maybe they won't. Love this. Check out the inside. If I can get this out. Alright, so that's cool. For the font, they use some sort of blue. I wonder if that's the same blue underneath this pair. Yeah, it's the same blue. Same blue. Nice touch. Nice touch, man. I don't know what to call this color right here. I really don't. It's like a combination of like baby green doo-doo with some kind of grayish brown. I don't know, but it doesn't ruin the shoe at all. It really doesn't. This looks beautiful. This is beautiful. Check it out. Give you some up close personal looks towards this shit. Yeah. Alright, time to give you that overview. Let's get to it. Man, I swear, every time I record a 700 V3 video, there's always something I leave out of the picture for you guys, because the silhouette gets me hype. But I know they came with extra laces, so let's check out the extra laces real quick. Oh, they're black. Black laces. Okay. Check out the tag. Make sure you guys are getting these tags when you receive your pair. I've never seen this on never seen this before with any of my previous personal pairs. Alright y'all, so it's time to wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed today. You guys got an up close and personal look at this beautiful 700 V3 Clay Brown. Now it's time for you guys to make that decision. Do I want to cop it or not? Now for those who got a huge L when it came to the Alvas, you should definitely grab these because they're pretty similar, you know? And if you do own a pair of Alvas, I don't know, if you ask me, they're still different, you know? Why not go for these if you need some brown in the collection? I don't know, it's just my opinion. But anyways, click subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet. Click like and let your friends know, family members know, because we do have another huge giveaway taking place pretty soon. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers, and that's when I promise the next giveaway. So you already know what time it is. Your boy Broadway J here on Kicks and Beats, and I'm out. Take care, y'all.